you are an individual out there, and due to the fact that maybe you do not know how to package content, it is stopping you from publishing your first video, I need you to watch this whole entire video to the end, all right? Don't complicate your process when you start making videos. This is the best advice I can give you. When you start making content, your first video should just simply overcoming that anxiety, that feeling of being on camera and not knowing how to say, and maybe you don't like to hear your voice. All you have to do is think about the very thing that you want to talk about, the thing that inspired you to want to make content. It's usually something that comes off a little more natural, a little more easier to you. Get in front of the camera, set up your phone, have a tripod. Maybe it could be outside or in your bedroom like I have right now, and just talk about it. Do not worry about any audience. It's not that important. Don't worry about the video being perfect. Our first video is to get in the marketplace. You want to get in the arena of creating content. There's a lot of people that have been doing what you're doing for 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years, and 20 years, already creating content. You are at the level in the beginning where you simply need to get some sort of feedback from the audience, the people you are trying to serve. And you might not even know that in this very moment. By posting and publishing your first video, you get an opportunity to be able to assess all these things. Put the camera up, talk about an idea, however you want to talk about it. It might not be structured. You might stumble multiple times, re-record them again, make the drafts as many times as possible, and put out your first video. Again, don't worry about views. This is not where you think you should be going viral. This is not the point of this video. This first video is to get you a lot more comfortable and say, okay, hey, I posted my first video and I did not die. I posted my first video and I'm doing just fine, because I remember 6 years ago when I made my first video, which is kind of sad, but it was in the bathroom with the fan on and the light so loud, and I had to do a voiceover over it. It was about a fitness video of showing people how to work out with bands. I didn't really care. I was just excited. I was inspired. I was motivated. And I knew on April 8th of 2020, I was going to make my first video no matter what. Just come home, make the video, get it out. Once you get that out of the way, you feel, okay, now let's make the next video a little bit better. Like, what are some things we can change? Maybe it could be your lighting. Maybe you need to get a better editing software that you never used before. Maybe it's simply figuring out how to set up composition. Maybe understanding how background matters to the audience that are watching you. The type of colors that will represent the audience you are trying to attract. These are small areas. People think it has to be going from 500 views to 20,000 views. It doesn't necessarily have to be that. Like, for me, a lot of my improvements personally came from me getting more comfortable on camera and maybe figuring out the better lighting and understanding, maybe building a system on how to make it easy on myself when it comes to ideation process, thumbnail, titles, and et cetera, and et cetera. There is small ways you can improve after your first video, but your first video do not need to be something that no one has ever seen before. Now, you can also take the time behind the scenes and polish that until it becomes as perfect as it can to you, and then publish it. But to me, getting the content out as fast as possible is the best way to go. You give this a try, and I promise you, you will start noticing that you get onto your second video, the third video, and you are a lot better every single time. If you found value in this video, which I know you're going to, just make sure you like the video, share it with a friend or family member, all right? Somebody that might be interested in something like this, someone that is thinking about creating content, contemplating. Share this with them, and I know they're going to see some value in it. Also, it does help you to realize, hey, I think we can find some people that like content like this, okay? It makes a big difference. Like, share it, and let me know in the comments below if there's anything that I said that you like, Sam, thank you for sharing. I really appreciate you. I needed to hear this today because I've been holding back on actually posting my first video, and this has inspired me to take action as soon as possible. Don't worry about the microphone. Don't worry about the editing tools. Do not worry about any of those things. Put the camera up, record your video, and post it. It doesn't really bother people that much when your content is not even edited. And if you like to know a very simple way to actually one button click, you can edit all your videos in CapCut. It might be a CapCut Pro. But if you like to know how to do it, because you want to edit your video just a little bit, get a little touch to it, make it more cinematic, LUTs, all these kind of things, let me know in the comments below as well. I will make a video about this because this is something I love to use. But thank you for stopping by. Don't just let this be another video, right? Go and take action. Go work on your first video. Enough procrastination. Get out of here. If you have time on your hands, go record. Like, you don't need a structure. You don't need some special script. Talk about the thing that you like to talk about. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.